Hello viewers, after the launch of S10 FE series, a lot of users are actually asking me whether they should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Tab S9 FE Plus has a huge fan base because a lot of people wanted to buy this tablet at the right pricing, but unfortunately the price did not come down, as a result of which many people could not buy this tablet. But still, I would say that in 2025, still this tablet worth the value if you get this tablet well under 26,000 rupees. During Big Billion Days sale in 2024, many people have bought this tablet at around 24 to 25,000 rupees. But after that period, the price is on the higher side. Recently, it was available at 28,000 with all the discounts on credit card. But I don't think that 28,000 is a very good price for this. The best price for Tab S9 FE Plus is around 25,000 or 26,000 rupees. And by spending 26,000 rupees, you will get S Pen in the box. You can do a lot of multimedia as well as productive tasks using your S Pen. Moreover, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 12.4 inches LCD display, so note-taking experience will be very good. Plus, if you are a student, you can read many things on this tablet, and the PDF mode in Samsung Internet is a very good option. By using that option, you can transform anything into PDF. And using that feature, you can read any document in PDF, and that will be a distract-free experience. As you can see here, if you click here, you can transform this text into PDF or into reading mode, and using this reading mode you can do a lot of things like changing the color of the screen, and also you can increase or decrease the font size, and also there are many styles of fonts that you can use while using this tablet. Many students actually want to buy this tablet for various reasons. One of the main reasons for buying this is the note-taking experience, and you can see that many options are available in Samsung tablets, and by using those features you can do a lot of things like taking screenshot and writing on the screen with the power or with the help of S Pen. Though this is a normal S Pen, you don't need to charge this S Pen. It will just be connected to your tablet and you can start writing anything on the screen, and I don't feel any latency. If you don't compare this tablet with any other high-end tablet, you cannot feel the latency using the S Pen. So these are some features for which many users actually want to buy this tablet even in 2025. So if you buy this tablet at 25 or 26,000 rupees, that will be a value for money product. But if you buy this tablet above 30,000 or around 30,000 rupees, that will not be a very good pricing for this. In that case, you should definitely buy Tab S10 FE Plus series, because that will provide you more updates, and also screen size is bigger on that tablet. So if you are planning to buy any of these two tablets, you have to wait for the right offers that will come very soon, and I will let you know about any deal that will come in future. So stay subscribed with this channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.